Saturday, the 21st of September, 2024. We're up here in Cartersville, getting some video. I've got a little story. I heard scraping. I haven't got the videos uploaded yet about getting, so I came on across up here and it's a break. I got a set of pads. And, these guys, when it's at tire shops and stuff, they tighten these lug nuts up with impact wrenches. So there were some lug nuts I could not get undone. So I went on and I came up to a tire shop and got some guys to loosen the lug nuts for me. But now I've lost the shade and I'm not going to drive it around that much. So I figured I'd get some video, then just go back to the house and catch it for the rest of the day. But I wanted to get y'all some video of this complex up here. Right across from the Lake Point Sports. I mean, this is another huge development. Yeah, so we will be having another car repair video, swapping the brake pads on this van tomorrow morning in the shade. Well, I said mixed use. You've got apartments and you've got single family, or you've got sole ownership. Fee simple. I assume some of these are apartments. All of this may be for sale. Great place to pick up a flat tire seed, but roofing has been done, and that's the main time you're going to pick up a flat tire seed, when they're doing roofing. This is going to add a lot of traffic to 41, a lot of traffic to Old Altoona, 75. And this is just one. There's several. On top of that, I saw where the Rome area, the Northwest Georgia area up here, is the 6th most desirable place in the whole nation for development. So this whole place is busting wide open. They've been cutting into the side of this mountain for about 1.5 years, almost 2 years. And they're not through. I say you got a huge piece of tract of land. We're on our way to Pumpkin Vine Creek. We're not going to be driving around a whole lot until we get these brakes put on here. But it's such a nice day, and this is the last day of summer, last full day of summer of 24. So I wanted to get some video. I wanted to come through Atlanta and get some video, but I don't need to be putting, using these brakes more than I have to. This already scrubbing the rotor a little bit. It won't be enough to hurt right now, but I don't need to do too much with it. Now there, you're looking over there at Lake Point Sports, the Loves. You've got a varsity. You've got all kind of eating places, bowling, I think. All those fields over there, softball, everything. We're going to go, or not softball, I think it's hardball. We're going to go across, and then we're going to go down Old 293, which is also Old US 41. Before they 4-laned this and did this. And we're going to see if we can stop at Pumpkin Vine Creek. Looked like the creek was clear. If we can get down there and there's not a bunch of people, we'll try to walk in the creek some, see what's going on with y'all. And the Pumpkin Vine Creek is appropriately named. I mean, it twists and turns. It crosses 41 at least 2 times, maybe 3. Back and forth like a snake. Could be Snake Creek. Sometimes that parking lot over there is slap full, along with all of these others. The varsity's right there to the left. Loves is packed, of course. This is old 293, or this is 293, and it's old US 41. I think there are two places we can stop at Pumpkin Vine Creek. Soccer event, baseball party. They may have girls softball here too. I don't know if they do or not. You would think they would with everything they've got here. I didn't realize how big girls softball was until my granddaughter got into it. Fast pitch, softball, travel team, whatever the deal is. We should have come from the other way, shouldn't we? I think there's a place right up here. Yeah, here's the place. I think we'll just walk down there right now and see what it's like. See if we want to come back and get some more cameras and change shoes, take some cameras down and get in the creek. There's some pokeberries. Nice purple pokeberries. We're recording this with the Osmo Action 3. Now, a lot of people call these swamp sunflowers. I don't know what they really are. There was and still is a lot of mining in this area. Some dumping of dead animals too. A lot of dumping. Yeah, it's a big drop off. We're not going to try to jump down through there. If we can find another place to get down there, it'd be nice today. That's a nice sized creek. I guess this is the dumping ground for dead animals. Yeah, the bank's too much of a drop off for us to try to get down there. We could get down there, but I'm not going to mess with that. I don't know if there's going to be another place where we'll have access. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one off. Okay, there's too much of a drop off for us to get down there and access the creek. I don't know if there's another place up here or not. We got plenty of video. It's such a nice day and the last day of summer. I'd like to get out, but I don't need to be using these brakes that much. I don't need to mess this rotor up. Yeah, let's see, the creek crosses here again. Of course, it ends up in Altoona. Hopefully, we'll be able to get these brakes on early in the morning, and that way we'll have a full day tomorrow of the first day of autumn. 75 acres for sale. The creek crosses again down here. We have video of that logistics center up there. We even have some drone video of it. We're coming up on the Amazon place that has never been moved into. They built it and it's sat vacant the whole time. We've got video and drone video of it as well. Yeah, and that intersection at 92 and Dallas Highway, whatever, over there, close to my daughter's where the Kroger and everything is. I think we've got everything we need. I don't know that I won't even try to go up to that Kroger or get through that intersection. Traffic's so bad through there. I-75 is to our left. We're running parallel with it. We're headed south. And here's that Amazon facility that's still set vacant. I guess it's still vacant. I guess we'll work our way back to the house. As we are cat sitting. Turn this one off. We will probably add that walk down to the creek to this one if we do this one at all. But I think we're going to head back to the house, get us a bite to eat, and work on video and chill the rest of the afternoon.